you doing?
Making me some juice.
What's in our juice?
Celery from Rhizosphere at the farmer's market today. Parsley from our garden. And some organic carrots from Costco. Eventually they'll be out of our garden, but I don't think they would be sweet yet. Maybe we should put a little you in here. Looking tasty. It's quick, just like 1, 2, 3, and you're done.
Looks like you have a large pile over there.
I know, I was kidding. Remember when the kids would do this with us? Not our kids, people. We don't have any. But if we did, I would give them this job. Because it's fun. It's kind of like a chipper.
Actually, the cleanup job.
Cleanup is not fun. But nothing's free in life. Shout out to Leia. She'll know why.